Welcome to Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. I've actually already been here for a couple of days. My first day was spent recovering after I'd spent the night drinking with scoundrels and ladyboys until 6:30 in the morning. So I had a bit of a recovery day, a day of rest. Yesterday I went up to do the killing fields and the S21 Prison. That will be in a different vlog. So today is my first real full day, my only full day. So I guess this vlog will just be basically showing you around the city. Now it's a bit of a shopping day today. I need to replace some of my things. First thing I need to do is do some laundry. Literally all my clothes are in this laundry bag. I need to buy some sunglasses because mine broke. I need to see if I can find another buff headscarf because someone bloody stole it. And I also need some shoes because look what's happened to these. So let's go shopping in Phnom Penh. Well, that's the bag of washing drops off. Got the whole load done for $7, which is a little bit more expensive than other places in Phnom Penh, but it's got really good reviews. Apparently they do a really good job, so they better do for that bloody price. The thing, what I suppose I need more than anything is some shoes, because this one's just falling off my foot. It split open last night whilst I was cycling in the rush hour traffic of Phnom Penh. Everyone's trying to get you in their shop. I mean, it's not just the tuk-tuk drivers, even the chemists. Just walked past a chemist, the guy's like telling me to come in his shop. It's like, you want to go to a chemist when you need one, don't you? You don't go because you're going to get a bargain on pills. It's a very busy city, Phnom Penh. This is not even one of the main roads, but yeah, it's not easy to cross from one side to the other. Some kind of croc type shoes there, and some look pretty cool actually. They look like second hand though. And the thing is with these kind of shoes is they're decent, but they don't last too long. So if someone else has already had them, then they're not going to last long at all. So I'm going to keep on looking. Well, it's nice to get in some shade because it's absolutely scorching. I think it's about 34, 35 today. I've seen a couple of places that had like kind of flip-floppy type things, but just up here there's a Decathlon. I'm going to see what they've got, see what their prices are like. I might buy from one of the big boys. Fed up of things falling apart after 2 months. Although, you know, for £2 you can't really complain, can you? Check out the modern building in Phnom Penh. It's not what I've been used to as I've been walking around. I got my bump type thing, $3 from Decathlon. It was a very small Decathlon, so I didn't really think I was going to have any luck in there, but I did. So now all I need is some shoes, and what was the other thing? Sunglasses. Well, I came to look for a coffee shop, and that doesn't exist anymore, but it has brought me to the central market. Look at this bloody thing. Well, I'm sure we can find some sunglasses or shoes in here. Well, it all appears to be fruit and veg and fish market around here. Got some beef drying out in the sun. Got some dried fish. Jerky type stuff. This is not where I'm going to find sunglasses or flip-flops. Oh, here we go. I found the entrance to the actual main market hall. Wow, check this out. I've come to the Wat Nom historical site, which is an artificial hill built in 1373, and this hill actually gives the name to the city. Check out the bird. Look at the hill. This bird's amazing. Where's it gone? It's up here. It's munching on a lychee. It's took the seed out. a nice site, this. It was $1 US to get in for foreigners. The clock's actually correct as well. Pretty much. It's 28 minutes past 1. A little bit fast. The two birds. I've just seen one fly over here, and then I can see the other one. And there's another two here. Oh my god, there's millions of them. I thought there was just two. There's absolute... Oh, look at the... Bloody hell, there's dozens of them. Wow. They're everywhere down here. One of these things attacking you with them bloody beaks. It's Tuesday night in Phnom Penh, and today's been a pretty successful day. I got my laundry done. I have some shoes. I've got a buff. Not got any sunglasses yet. So I'm going to head down to the night market now. My belly's full with poutine and chicken wings and a tower of Anchor beer. So it's time to go for a wander on the nighttime streets of Phnom Penh. Didn't particularly enjoy Phnom Penh last time. I mean, I thought it was okay, and I enjoyed the historic side of it, but as a city I found it a bit grotty, a bit grim. Now, I guess coming from Ho Chi Minh, where it's very backpackery and very lively and loud, it was a bit of a contrast. But I've enjoyed it this time. I've warmed to it. It's definitely a different vibe to Ho Chi Minh, and I guess if you're coming from Ho Chi Minh to here, then that might kind of make you kind of struggle to enjoy it for what it is, maybe. It is Tuesday night, so it's obviously not going to be as busy as what it is at the weekend, but it's still pretty busy. You can see all these bars here, they're like kind of $1, even less in some of them, for a beer. The problem you've got in these places is you are just going to be latched onto by all the women, and they're going to want you to buy them drinks. I mean, look at them. Amazing. Wow, amazing bar. It's just filled with women. We've got Party Girl over here on the left. Yeah, it's pretty clear what kind of bars these are. Hot Girls Bar over there. There's actually no women outside that one. You might have to go inside to see what's on offer in there. Last time I stayed in Phnom Penh, I stayed away from the city centre, so I didn't really get to hang out in this part of the city too much. I did come down here, obviously, and have a walk around, but I'm right in the centre now. We have happy nights over here, we have sexy nights over there, Matilda Bar. All of these bars are just literally filled with women. There is a place in Phnom Penh, I forget the name of it. I meant to go there today and forgot. I might head up there tomorrow. And it's all to kind of help women to leave the sex trade and to find them better opportunities. It's a big thing here in Cambodia. Oh, here we are. This is the Mekong at night then. I've never actually been over to the other side. I mean, it looks very lively, it's all lit up. Oh, here's the Phnom Penh night market then. It's only small, but pretty sure when I walked around the other day, I did actually see stuff with prices on, which is what I'm looking for. I hate not having a clue how much things are. let's have a look. All I need now is some sunglasses. Oh, straight away. There's lots of sunglasses on offer, but there's no prices on anything. It's pretty quiet in here tonight. It's the only night market I've seen in Southeast Asia where you buy from the food on the outside and then you just come and sit on the floor. My journey to the night market was a success. I have my shades, 10,000, $2.50, so about £2. And yeah, in the market I was looking at in here, not in here, the central market, $15. And I'll only break the bloody things anyway, so I'll lose them. So that's it, that's me done. Shoes, done. Buff, done. Sunglasses, done. Laundry, done. Successful day in Phnom Penh. It's my final day in Phnom Penh. Last night I dropped my phone and smashed the screen, so that's a pain in the bloody arse. My GoPro seems to be bleeding on the screen a little bit, and so that's a pain in the arse as well. Everything seems to be just on its last legs. I guess I've been travelling for 19 months, so everything has been yeah, used to the fullest. What's this here? Can I go down here? Is this a thing? Looks like it's a thing. It looks like the back entrance to a big temple complex. The gate is open, so I'm presuming I can go in. There's quite a few temples in this complex. I'll come in at the back entrance. It all looks very closed at the minute. Wow, it's pretty huge. The size of this place. Yesterday I had a tuk-tuk driver who wanted to know what I was doing, where I was going, what I was up to, if I wanted to hire him for the day, take me to all the sites. I was like, no, I don't need it, mate, I'm leaving tomorrow. And then I thought, what if I see him again? I thought, shall I tell him, well, I might leave tomorrow, but I might extend for a day. But I thought, you know what, I'm not going to see him, I'm in the capital city. I'm not going to bloody see him again, am I? He's just pulled up next to me. Hello, sir. Where were you? I thought you were going. Bloody hell. Oh, this is nice. Big open space next to the Mekong River. This to the right is the Royal Palace. You also have the Silver Pagoda in there. Now, you'd have to pay to get in this place. I think it's over $10, I think. I can't see where the actual entrance to it is. It's a huge site. You can see inside it's full of pagodas. That looks like the Silver Pagoda there, which has got all construction around it. So that won't be much to look at. I have seen lots of pagodas and temples and palaces. I didn't even know the Grand Palace in Bangkok because I've done it before. So here I am walking along the Mekong River, a river that I've come across in Thailand, in Laos, in Vietnam, and now in Cambodia. And it's too hot to do anything. It's ridiculously hot today. And I think I've done everything I want to do in Phnom Penh. There's not a great deal to do in this city. I do like the city, but yeah, I think I'm just going to go back to the hostel and just get out of the sun. I've just realised I've got more shopping to do. I need some bloody sun cream. Sun cream that I bought in Georgia, bloody hell, all them months ago. That's down to its last few squirts. And I don't think it's going to get any cooler in the next couple of weeks, at least. So that's the job for today. Buy some sun cream and then my work is done.